First on Fox tonight, courtroom confusion. A major Midstate murder case with two judges saying two different things.
Caught in the middle, an accused killer, police say, shot his wife 10 times, and an exclusive Brentwood neighborhood filled with fear.
The lights are still on, but nobody's home. Nearby neighbors want to keep it that way.
These woods are big. Just because he doesn't go to his house, he could go anywhere.
Greg Shaw watched back in April as police searched the forest.
They went into the woods.
A few feet from his house for Randolph Maidens. The Governor's Club dad, police say, shot his orthodontist wife, Rachel, 10 times in the back with a shotgun and a 9mm handgun. Which is why so many here don't understand why civil court judge Robbie Beal ruled Maidens could go back home this week after Judge James Martin's criminal court order already said he couldn't. And yet a third judge, Al Nations, reduced his bond against neighbors and officers' wishes.
Obviously, it's created a lot of controversy with the fact that most of the folks in Brentwood think Mr. Maidens has been allowed access back to the home. But that's not the case.
That's because the criminal court order supersedes the civil court's decision in the wrongful death lawsuit brought by Rachel's mother. If he goes back home, he goes back to jail.
I'm sure this has generated a tremendous amount of confusion, but we're going to comply with the criminal court order.
And it would appear the Governor's Club is taking matters into its own hands. In an internal memo that went out to residents, the Property Owners Association says it's hired its own attorneys.
It says the POA Board is working with our legal counsel to prepare a case to restrain him from returning to the neighborhood should the existing restraining order be removed. Still, Shaw is concerned about the guns police said in court they still haven't found in these woods.
He can arm himself. He could, if there's guns that haven't been found, he knows where they are.
Police say they are monitoring Maidens' GPS bracelet and that he can only go back to the home with a police escort to retrieve items with 24 hours notice. Now, coming up new tonight at 10 o'clock, what the district attorney has to say about all this court confusion.